What do you think is the fastest way to level up the battle pass in Warzone Mobile? Warzone Mobile doesn't have many modes yet, but let me teach you the fastest possible way to do that. The choice of mode is very important. In multiplayer, you will get less XP for the battle pass compared to the time you play, so it is not a good choice. We currently have a 4 choice among the battle royale modes for get XP. I think you get more XP in the full 20 minutes match and mobile royale match. But what do you do in the game is very important. Based on my 1 year of playing in Warzone Mobile, the things that give you the most XP battle pass are naturally the number of kills, headshots and wins. But there is one thing that new players don't know at all. Contracts are missions that give you XP when you do them. You can use them to rise your account level faster, upgrade your weapon level and max your battle pass faster. The trick is to do the most contracts in one match with less challenge. That is, most wanted is not a good option at all considering that the number of real players in each match is increasing and that you have a time limit of 3 minutes. The best and easiest contracts are Recon, Bounty and Scavenger. Bounty is easier and faster but gives half the most wanted XP. So play Battle Royale for 20 minutes, get a contract, win the match and don't forget to activate it if you have double XP. Almost every third match of 20 minutes will give you 2 Battle Pass tokens.
داداش تو وای امیر اگه اون برو داداش من دورم ازت کدوم بری بابا دوری خیلی دوری نما کن رفتی 2 کیلومتر